Hello, hello, and welcome to Screencasts Online. I'm Darcy, and today we're looking at an app called Bless. Many of us feel the impulse to make a purchase. This can be for many different reasons. Habit is a big one, or we see a sale. Sometimes a purchase is related to our emotions. Bless is designed to put a bit of distance between your impulse to buy and actually making the purchase, helping you understand if it's something you really want to buy. Bless can be found in the App Store and is free to use. So download it and let's get started. To start things off, hit the plus button at the center of the bottom bar. There are 4 different types of entries you can put into Bless, and we'll explore them all over the course of this video. For now, tap on I want to buy a thing at the top left. In the spirit of keeping it simple, we only need to put in some basic information about the thing we want to buy. I want to buy a Dyson fan, so let me use that as an example. After putting in the name and the price of the item, we can select a category for it. I think this would count as a home appliance, so I'll select that, but there are many to choose from. And down below, we can enter any additional notes for the item. Now, the point of Bless is to put a little bit of space between your impulse to buy something and when you actually make a decision. So here, we can set a time frame, that is, how long we want to think about making this purchase. The durations here indicate how long between now and when you'll receive a notification reminding you about this item. Not reminding you to buy it, but reminding you that you've had a bit of time to think about it and to perhaps make a decision on whether you really need to buy this or not. I'll postpone this one for 7 days. Great, and now that's saved into the app.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.